Welcome to What's New in Burbank.
VIA, a new low-cost transportation service, has launched in Burbank. Metro and VIA have partnered together to provide shared, on-demand rides to or from the North Hollywood Red Orange Line station. Using your smartphone or tablet, download the VIA app and sign up for an account. Set your pickup location and drop-off destination in the app and book your ride. Your driver will arrive at your pickup and get you to your next stop, whether it's the North Hollywood Red Orange Line station or anywhere within the blue shaded area of this Burbank map. If you do not have a smart device, you can also use the service by calling 619-731-0710. Rides to or from the North Hollywood Red Orange Line station are available Monday through Friday from 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. Tap card holders pay $175 per ride. Life participants ride for free, and all other riders pay $375 per ride. For more information about the service, please visit ridewithvia.com/Los Angeles.
If you're 55 years or older, there are programs for trips.
Recently, Burbank Mayor Emily Gabeletti visited the Jocelyn Adult Center to learn about the Teen Tech Tutor program, where local teenagers volunteer to help tutor older residents on using modern technology such as smartphones and computers.
That works. That's great.
The mayor's visit is part of the newest episode of The Mayor's Show, which you can watch in its entirety on the Burbank channel on local cable or on our YouTube page, youtube.com/The Burbank Channel. On Tuesday, March 12th, the city held its Boards and Commissions Appreciation Dinner at the Pickwick Gardens Conference Center. This annual event honors and thanks the many dedicated volunteers who serve on city boards and commissions established by the City Council to review city programs, projects, and community issues.
Tonight's event was a great way to highlight the incredible diverse work that you all do on behalf of the city of Burbank, and to honor the time and energy that you invest in our city.
The evening's festive decorations and party favors mirrored the celebratory theme of the night, everybody wins when we work together. There were games of chance, music from the John Burroughs High School IMA, and a prop-filled photo booth for everyone to make a memory of the night.
1, 2, 3.
We have truly won the jackpot with all of you. And thank you again for your service, and have a wonderful evening. Good night.
Caltrans continues to make progress on the I-5 Empire project. David Kriske has the full update.
Caltrans crews are currently working on the northbound travel lanes to widen and improve the freeway, and will then switch traffic over to the new lanes to begin working on the middle portion of the freeway as they complete the Empire Interchange overpass. Caltrans expects to open the Empire Interchange in July of 2019. At that time, the Burbank Boulevard Bridge will then close for reconstruction. That part of the project will be completed in December of 2020, and the entire project will also be completed at the end of 2020, at which point Burbank residents will be able to enjoy new carpool lanes in both directions, a new interchange at Empire Avenue, and a reconstructed interchange at Burbank Boulevard.
For an updated schedule and more information about the Caltrans project, please visit www.my5la.com.
Did you know you can grow beautiful roses like these, save money, and help to preserve nature? For nearly 30 years, the City of Burbank has provided residents with free composting instructions.
We really want to encourage residents to be empowered to create their own black gold within their own yards. And so it's a really important program to be able to take what you generate and actually create healthier soil without having to go and buy it. It makes no sense, right? You've got everything you need right there.
If you are interested in backyard composting, check out the Burbank Recycle Center events page to learn about upcoming workshops.
We host these workshops March through November, and we do them on the last Wednesday of the month. And we do these here at the Burbank Recycle Center from 6 o'clock till 8 o'clock.
Registration is required. To reserve your space and receive a free composter, go to burbankrecycle.org. The Home Improvement Program is BWP's free weatherization program for customers, offering weatherization home upgrades, saving them up to an estimated $4,000 in retrofits. All Burbank residents may participate, but single-family homes must have a central AC system in order to qualify for the home upgrades. Free services include attic insulation, air sealing, a blower door, and a combustion safety test. Central AC tune-ups and duct sealing and testing services are also provided. This program is very popular and scheduling appointments will depend on availability, so call today. 1-866-365-7358. Thanks for watching What's New in Burbank.